Let us continue with our lesson and let us see in a practical way how to declare and create a variable in a Kotlin. So first of all, I'll go to my project section over here and I'll go to the app, and from the app I'll go to Java, and inside the Java we have a package name that we have created previously, and here we will declare our first variable. So first of all, I will say over here the var, the keyword that we need to use is a var, and I'll just say age equals to 0. So this is the first variable that we are creating. So we are creating a variable of a age and we are assigning a value of a 0. So when we go to the onCreate method over here, we have a create onCreate method over here, and let me go down over here, and inside here I will say as a age is equals to 20. So which means that we are creating a variable over here and assigning a value of 0 over here, initial value. We are by default assigning as a 0 over here. And here you can see that we have changed the value of age, which was previously a 0, and now we have assigned a value of 20. So when we created first, the value of 0 was stored somewhere in our computer memory, and later we again get assigned a value of 20 to that memory location. So we are using a variable and referring to that memory location over here, and again we are assigning a value of 20 to that again memory location. So this is a simple way to create a variable, and let's create another one, and let's say I will create a var, and I will just say as a name is equals to, and I'll just say as empty first, and I don't assign any value. And let us go over here and I will say as a name is equals to, and I will say as a string of a Kotlin. So here we create a variable of a age and a name, and here we assign a value of a 20, and to a name we assign a Kotlin. So this is a simple way that we create or declare a variable using a var keyword, and we assign a value. And we also learn about the another keyword that we can make use of, that is a val. And if we use a val, if we say val, and I will say as a last name, and let's say last name is equals to empty string over here, and if we come back over here to our onCreate method over here, and let's say we will say as last name is equals to, and I will say something as Java, and you can see here we have a red line. So you see val cannot be reassigned. So that's our way. So we have a val, a var keyword, and also a val. So the var keyword, we can see we can create and assign a value, but here we says the val it cannot assign. So that is the difference, and the basic difference we will cover up in our next lecture. So let's meet up in our next lecture about we will learn about the var and a val. So keyword of a var, var, and a keyword of a val. So let's meet up in the next lecture.